Yeah, good morning, sir. My name is Brahmanaidu and I'm a maths teacher. I have 11 years experience in maths field. And today I'm going to teach you the topic is polynomials. Okay. And first we'll discuss some sub definitions. After that we'll discuss what is the definition of the polynomial. Okay. And next first definition. And first one is constant. Constant means a number have some fixed value. A number have some fixed value. For example, the value of the 2 is 2, the value of the 4 is 4, and the value of the 100 is 100 only. So, a number have some fixed value. The type of numbers are called constant. We can't change the values. Okay, a number have some fixed value. For example, 2, 4, and so on. All numbers are constants only. Okay, next one. Variable. Variable means a symbol which can take any numerical value. A symbol which can take any numerical value. The type of symbols are called variable. Okay. For example, our class strength is x plus 2. Our class strength is x plus 2. Okay. If x value 100, then what is our class strength? 100 plus 2, 102. And somebody told, sir, if x value 200, then what is our class strength? If x value 200 means 200 plus 2, 202. That means in place of x we can substitute any numerical value. In place of x we can substitute any numerical value. The type of symbols are called variable. Generally we are using English alphabets. Okay, x, y, and so on. Understood, man? And next one, term. Term means the combination of constant variable. The combination of constant and variable is called term. The combination of, for example, this is the constant and this is the variable. The combination of these two by using the operation multiplication or division is called term. For example, 2x, 3x square, 2x power minus 3. These are all the examples of terms. Here observe, this is the combination of constant and variable. This is the combination of constant and variable, and this is also combination of constant and variable. So these are all the some examples of terms. Okay, here two important points are there. Main first point is a single variable also term only. A single variable also term. Why? Because it can written as 1 into x we can write. The value of 1 into x is x only. Yes or not? So, a single variable we can convert into combination of constant and variable. That's why a single variable also term. And a single constant also term. Why? Because here observe 2 can written as 2 into 1 we can write. Yes or not? And in place of 1 I am writing x power 0 I am writing. In place of 1 I am writing x power 0. Here observe the value of x power 0 is 1 only. Why? Because if a base have power 0, that value is 1. Any base having the power 0 is 1. That's why in place of 1 I am writing x power 0. And it is the combination of constant and variable. That's why a single constant also we can convert into constant and variable. So a single constant also term. Okay, man. So this is the example of constant, variable, and term. Okay, and next one. And next one, monomial. Next one, monomial. Monomial means in a term a variable contains non-negative power. In a term, actually we know the definition of the term. Term is the combination of constant and variable. So, for example, 2x power 2 and 2x power minus 2. Here this is the term and this is also term. Why? Because it is the combination of constant and variable. And it is also combination of constant and variable. Okay, ma? Here the definition of the monomial is in a term a variable contains non-negative power. Non-negative power means either 0 or positive, not negative. Here observe, in this term this variable contains positive. That's why it is called monomial. It is not a monomial. Why? Because this variable contains negative power. Understood, ma? So the definition of the monomial is, in a term a variable contains non-negative power. This type of terms are called monomial. Understood, ma? So that means in a monomial a variable contains only positive power. But in a term a variable contains mainly positive power or negative power. That's why all monomials are terms. But all terms are need not to a monomial. Got my point? And next one, binomial. Binomial means the combination of, so the example of monomial is 2x square or 3x power 4 and so on like that. Understood, ma? So the examples of monomials are 2x square or 3x power 2 and so on like that. The combination of two monomials is called binomial. For example, 2x square plus 3y. Here two monomials are, that's why this is called binomial. And next one, trinomial. Trinomial means the combination of three monomials is called trinomial. And now our topic name polynomial means the combination of one or more monomials is called our topic name polynomial. That means a single monomial also polynomial, binomial also polynomial, trinomial also polynomial. Trinomial means three monomials. So a single monomial also binomial also polynomial, trinomial also polynomial. And the combination of four monomial also polynomial. That means the combination of one or more monomials is called our topic name polynomial. Understood, ma? Thank you.